Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a slight hair review and showing this install I did with the hair. So here I have Luxury Hair Fanatics hair. It's supposed to be raw curly hair, but it is not raw, as you can see from the bundle and how it came. And if you see my previous videos on me explaining raw inversion hair, you can see this is not raw hair. Although the hair was not raw hair, the hair was still a good pattern, texture. It was still really soft. I just wish she wouldn't have lied. Everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave your comments below.